Here I have INFINIX Hot 4E Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to special function, then go to accessibility, and here you can find TalkBack. Here you enable it, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 5. TalkBack is
So I'm gonna explain it to you more briefly. So this mode is made mostly for people with blindness and some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud words on the screen. So for example, you tap on this banner, it gets spoken out loud. You tap on this text, it gets spoken out loud. You tap on this button, it's the same.
Double tap to activate.
It also tells you that to activate this button you have to double tap. It means that you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, not specifically on this button, like this.
Close tutorial.
Close, double tap.
Allow and
So for example, if you want to disable TalkBack, tap on switch, double tap, stop, and yeah, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.